Well, hello everyone, it's Doug Rucker with the Doug Rucker Store and Doug Rucker School, pressurecleaningschool.com, DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, real quick, just wanted to show you this. This is an adjustable cone nozzle that can be used on your dedicated pump system, air diaphragm, 12-volt booster, whatever you use, doesn't matter. I've got it hooked up right now to the gunslinger just to show you what it can do, but we use this mainly for misting our mix onto surfaces when we want to be real careful in certain areas. Make sure the pump is turned on here. It'll shoot a straight stream of about 10 to 20 feet, 10 to 15 feet probably. But if we want, what I really like about it is I can dial it down to a really nice fine mist. And if I want to hit, you know, like a certain area, let's say there's something between those two panels that I don't want to be blasting mix on, I can do that. Great for around doors. Great for where there's areas of sensitive plants that you want to be real careful. Things of that nature. So I've been using one of these for a couple years and just got them into the store. They're on the web store at DougRuckerStore.com. It's called an adjustable cone nozzle, and like I said, it's adjustable. Use it for your air pump or your 12-volt pump. Do not use it on a pressure washer because it'll tear up. As a matter of fact, you want to be real careful with these. Don't drop it, because if you do, they'll break. They're plastic. Okay, so take care of them. You might want to order a couple of them to have them. We keep about 2 or 3 on the trucks. And that's pretty it. It comes all connected. I have it all ready for you. We'll tape it up and put the fittings on for you so it's ready to go. I can't remember the cost of these things right now. I think they're 25, 30 bucks, but I can't remember. But excellent tool to have. I highly suggest that you get one of these. We use it quite a bit. Even in areas like patios where we're doing ceilings and we don't want to get a ton of mix just dropping all over the place, we'll put a little extension wand on and we can lightly mist up on the ceiling if we need to. So I can have an extension wand going up there and lightly mist all that metal, and then just gives you a lot better control, a lot safer to use. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. 281-612-1223. You can call or text me, either way, but you can order at DougRuckerStore.com. And also don't forget our school. We've got an online school with over 150 videos at pressurecleaningschool.com. Thanks guys, y'all have an awesome day.